Here's project number 1. I'm gonna fix this porch, whatever this is here. Porch and stairs for the bunkie. So this is where I'm at for tonight. This is yeah, hemlock little deck. It's pretty strong. It's all 2x6s. Should last a while. There's some imperfections, but what do you do? This is like something that never gets used, but when we do come out here, I'd like it to be safe. So it looks not bad to me. I think it looks alright. Plus there's going to be stairs coming down here as well. That's why I cleared so much. And then I'm going to do a handrail again. But yeah, I think it's alright. Do the trick. Anyways, thanks guys. So that's it. She's finished. It's good to me. It's nice and strong, that's for sure. Also, there's a board that was on there. Took that off and then replaced the batten. Tried to kind of match it with what's there. It needs to dry. I figure everything by the end of the summer we can give it a quick sand and then stain it good. Whatever, brown like the rest. But yeah, nice and strong. Nice handrail set up here. It's reasonable. Feels nice. Nice and strong. I also put that down on there because there's a little bit of gap at the door. Still has a gap, but it's not that bad. And then I got some patio stones. I'll put 2 patio stones in there. got a bunch coming, I think 50 or something like that. $2 a piece, so reasonable deal. But yeah, that's deck number 1. See, this one here is a little bit thicker, just at the end too. It's like a 1/4 of an inch thicker. I tried to grab ones that were all similar, but I guess that one end kind of went up. Actually, the blade on the bandsaw needs to be changed. It's really starting to get wavy. So, I'm actually got a sharpener for them, so I'm gonna try and sharpen one. See how it goes. Actually, all the wood that I cut was only with one blade, so pretty happy with it. This is probably 6 2x6s and one 3.5 by 3.5, and actually two 2x3s as well. So I don't know what that would cost, but yeah, and actually one 1x6, but there's only a piece. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, 10 times better than what was there, so that's the main thing, was to improve on what's there. Anyways, thanks guys. So one day I'd like to change these windows as well. Thanks guys. And it begins. Railing's gone. You guys see how bad this deck is here. We've already been patching it up a couple times. Got holes pretty much everywhere. It is pretty strong still, but man, you can't take chances. Can't let the kids on here or nothing. We don't like people even walking on there. So it's coming down. So just taking off one piece at a time, cutting between the gap here, and just lopping it down. Yeah. Yeah, I figured it out. It's going pretty easy. Like, it's not very hard taking stuff apart. Building it and making it nice and level and square, that's trickier than taking stuff apart, that's for sure. Anyways guys, thanks. Decided I'm just gonna seal the ends and put them back in those holes. See how it goes. I bet you those have been there for 40 years, so I bet you this will last at least another 10, 20, so. Anyways, it's very wet wood anyways, like it just came out of the tree, so it, yeah, it's not gonna burn. It's just gonna burn the ends a bit. Anyways, thanks guys. So, I'm ready for the beam to go on this set here. That's not level, that's just to keep them in line when I set the posts. So, quite happy with how she's turning out. I did a 8-inch board that goes across here with the 45s on it. That covers the 2-inch deck board and the 6-inch supports or whatever. Took off the other board. You can see how bad the saw blade was on these beams. I used the good side up, so finally got the stairs done. I think they turned it all right. They're about 7 inches high. So for the first one, I'm gonna get some patio stones for in here. I want to do whatever, 4 or 6, whichever works out. But I took the tractor and scooped a couple loads out of here. But yeah, they stepped nice. A little bit short, but Feel okay, strong, 8 inches wide, so yeah, it is what it is. I think it turned out quite well so far. I do have to finish these 2 posts there and probably put a gate on there. But yeah, I think it looks good. I think the next job I'm gonna tackle the siding from here down this wall and have this like a nice wooded area in the back. It's nice. Really like the deck. I'll show you. This nice 8-inch cap here. And we got our 16-inch studs. It's all 2x6s underneath, and the deck boards are all 2x6s. And then that too, it's a 8-inch, but it's about 1.5 inch thick. So everything else is true 2-inch. And then the steps I had left over from that cut, so I made steps too. And then I'm gonna get patio slabs for under here, which will hold back the grass growth. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it too. I think it looks amazing. Anyways, thanks guys.